The Biden administration is going to be increasing taxes, particularly they're looking to increase taxes on high-income households, aka the investor class. Also, it's been reported that Janet Yellen, the new Treasury Secretary, has mentioned the possibility of introducing a tax on unrealized gains. I really doubt that would ever actually get signed into law, but they certainly could push for it, and that would, again, just spook the markets even, contemplating it, right? Now for the good news. The clickbait fear media has reported that Janet Yellen is going to crack down on Bitcoin because of terrorism financing and money laundering. It's all going to be really, really bad. But actually, what she really said is much more interesting. So you may want to pause the video to read this whole thing. But in essence, what she said is that, yeah, she's concerned about those things. But she also said that cryptocurrency can improve efficiency in the financial system. She also said that she wants to encourage legitimate use cases for cryptocurrency and that she wants to work to provide an effective regulatory framework for cryptocurrencies. That's actually all good stuff. Those are positives. Those are good things. She's not actually anti-crypto at all. She's just pro-regulation. The current administration has also frozen all new or pending regulatory measures currently sitting over at FinCEN, including the onerous hosted wallet rule, which would require KYC for every withdrawal and deposit coming from wallets and in and out of exchanges. Now it's just frozen, pending review. We might still see this rule pushed forward, so there's no guarantee we're going to see it scrapped altogether. We'll need to wait and see what they decide. The new appointee to the Office of the Comptroller of the Currency, the OCC, is a guy named Michael Barr. Now, he's a former advisor to Ripple Labs, so definitely a positive thing to see someone like that coming through. This is somebody who understands cryptocurrency, is not afraid of cryptocurrency, not a cryptophobe, has positive industry ties, so that's a good person to have in there. The new chairman at the SEC, Gary Gensler. Now, he's a former Goldman Sachs guy, but has actually made some pretty positive comments about cryptocurrency in the past. He's definitely very aware of cryptocurrencies, what they are, how they work, all that stuff. The last time he was asked about crypto, he basically said that cryptocurrency is part of our future. He also said that it just needs to be regulated. This guy has definitely proven that he understands cryptocurrency and that, some people are even saying that his nuanced understanding of the cryptocurrency industry could potentially lead to seeing the SEC finally approve a fricking Bitcoin ETF. When we account for others at the SEC like Hester Pierce, we essentially see that the SEC is now stacked with pro-crypto people at the top levels of the organization. Then there's probably the biggest reason that a Biden administration will be a positive force for cryptocurrency, and that is, of course, stimulus. There is going to be an incredible amount of money printing happening over the next few months in the United States. There will be more checks coming out for regular Americans. The final number, it's still, I think, going back and forth is around $2,000, most likely. So we're going to see another few $1 trillion being printed. These forces will continue to push big money investors into Bitcoin. Final verdict. I'm sure we'll have all sorts of surprises with the Biden administration. That's inevitable. But overall, I think it will be a good thing for crypto. Under his administration, we should hopefully see more positive regulations that help, not hinder, the cryptocurrency industry.